Did you know that eggs are one of the most nutritious foods you can eat? Packed with protein, essential vitamins, and healthy fats, they're little powerhouses that can seriously boost your health. Hey there, health explorers. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're cracking open the truth about one of the most common yet underrated foods in our kitchens, eggs. Whether you love them sunny side up, hard-boiled, or scrambled, you're about to discover why these humble orbs are actually a superfood hiding in plain sight. In this video, we'll explore the incredible benefits of eggs, debunk some common myths, and show you how they can be an easy and affordable addition to a healthy lifestyle. For years, eggs have been given a bad rap. You've probably heard someone say, "Don't eat too many, your cholesterol will shoot up." But what if we told you that the science has changed? The truth is, many people still avoid eggs due to outdated beliefs and misconceptions about cholesterol and heart disease. As a result, they miss out on their powerful nutritional benefits. But by avoiding eggs, many of us are skipping a simple, natural source of high-quality nutrients that our bodies actually need. Let's break it down. One large egg contains about 6 grams of high-quality protein and all 9 essential amino acids. It's rich in vitamin B12, D, A, and E, plus it's loaded with choline, an important nutrient for brain health. And despite what you've heard, eating eggs doesn't necessarily raise your bad cholesterol. In fact, for most people, it has minimal impact on heart disease risk. Studies now show that dietary cholesterol doesn't affect blood cholesterol as much as we once thought. For most people, eating an egg a day is perfectly safe and even beneficial. From muscle repair to improved eye health, thanks to lutein and zeaxanthin, eggs do way more than just fill you up. Here's the kicker. Recent research reveals that people who eat eggs regularly may actually have a lower risk of stroke and better heart health markers. Yep, you heard that right. The tide has turned, and eggs are finally getting the nutritional recognition they deserve. Oh, to sum it up, eggs are affordable, accessible, and packed with protein, vitamins, and minerals. The cholesterol scare? Mostly myth for the average healthy person. By bringing eggs back into your daily routine, you're not just making your meals tastier, you're making a smart move for your overall health. Have you felt the benefits of eating eggs regularly? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos for more easy ways to eat healthy and feel amazing. See you next time.